If you start with energy, kWh is the power or the most energy that you consumed in a certain period of time. So for us, we bill monthly. So that monthly billing cycle of 30 days, usually as an average, how much energy you consume during that 30 days. So everything that's operating within your home in that 30 days or that 33 days is how much kWh or energy that you consume during that month. Peak kW demand, or kW, is an actual rate of energy. It's power. It's when you flip that switch and you turn on that light, that's what gave you power. So the kW is a measurement in an instant of time, if you want to look at it that way. The easiest way to explain kW is if you compare it to a car. So if you think of an odometer in a car, that's more like relative to kWh, or energy. That's how many miles you drove in a period of time or in a distance. When you think of peak kW would be comparable to the speedometer, the rate at which you drove those miles. So if you're going to drive from point A to point B, you might drive the same amount of miles, but if you drive 80 miles an hour versus 50 miles an hour, you're going to put more wear and tear on the car, and it's demanding more power on the car to be able to drive at that rate. So if you look at it as an example of that, the power that you need, if you are needing more power in a shorter period of time because you're turning on multiple items or multiple switches, then you're going to have a higher rate of power than if you just turn on one switch during the same interval period of time.